I'm Satya Nyanshekaran, Arjuna Award winner in 2018 and Commonwealth Games gold medalist in 2018. I was born and brought up in Chennai. I'm from a middle-class, academic-driven family. I'm the first person to play sport. I started playing table tennis at the age of 5. I did my engineering in information technology, and I'm a BTech IT graduate as well. From the age of when I started 5, by the age of 7, I was already in the under 12 state team. And from there, when I started performing, I think then that was the key. Also, the parents felt very encouraged and motivated to make me play the sport. Unfortunately, I was also very good in academics. Then I had to take a call there when the parents felt like why not keep doing both at the same time, because they were not sure how big I could make in the sport. Even though I was India junior number 1, but going into the seniors was a very different ball game. So I went with my parents' choice to do the engineering, and I think that 4 years was a big struggle to me to juggle between academics and sport, where my performance in sport actually started coming down a little bit. When I got the job in ONGC and when the Sports Development Authority of Tamil Nadu came in with an elite sports person scheme for the road to Olympics there, I think those kind of things which actually made me convinced also that I could make it big in the sport. The first major win for me was 2008 Commonwealth Youth Games. That was a Commonwealth Games for under 18, and then I went on to win 2 gold medals there. Winning the gold medal in both singles and doubles. I think that was the first moment where I felt table tennis could be my profession. I want to play this sport for the next 20 years of my life, and I really started working hard there. We started getting opportunities to train abroad and play more and more international tournaments. From there, life changed. I was just 15 at that time. When I won the 2016 game, Belgium Open, and 2017 Spanish Open, then 2018 came in. I was already a very established player. People couldn't believe that it was actually my first Commonwealth Games. It was totally an inorganic growth to the top. Right from where people thought I wouldn't come back to engineering, then I was in the Commonwealth Games team member as a core member. Winning a mixed doubles bronze medal with Manika as well, for the first time in the history of Indian table tennis that we have won a medal in the mixed doubles in Commonwealth Games. I really loved playing there in the big games, the tricolour going up when you win the medal. That has been my dream. And from there, India won a massive 8 medals for the first time in the Commonwealth Games. Everyone felt like not just the Indian team has won, but the entire country has won in a big games like that. We lost the first match against Chinese Taipei, and I was totally broken. I couldn't sleep the same day till 3. I thought we have lost the medal chance. And I spoke to my coach for such a long time that we have missed the chance. And he said, look, India has never won a medal for 60 years. So if you don't win it, it's going to be you don't win a medal for 64 years. So nothing is going to change, and it's your first games. So just be expressive like how we've been playing, enjoy. And yes, we did make history there. We beat Japan there, where I took 2 singles matches. And we did win the bronze medal after a gap of 60 years. When Dad was a person who's been very disciplined, he had no bad habits, and if a person like that can get cancer, and he passed away, and Mom was actually totally devastated, but she was so strong. But then things changed after that. I felt like I played like I had nothing to lose. I think I became a beast on court, and I just felt like I don't know what is going to happen tomorrow. Today is the day, and this is the moment there, and you just give out your 100%, 200%. From there, my achievements started skyrocketing. I think my rankings actually came in very good, and my mother was very supportive. I should give it to her. I think I was really lucky. I got the job from ONGC, and I got the support system from Go Sports Foundation with Rahul Dravid as my mentor from 2012, and I had my equipment sponsor also, Butterfly. After the Commonwealth Games, things just changed massive. People have started taking up the sport very seriously. It has actually changed from a hobby sport to a professional sport. I think the extracurricular activity to a serious sport, and the belief from the officials or the parents have actually gone up immense. And yes, we do need a lot of support system. The grassroots has to be improved. I think that is something very important, that the infrastructure here is actually even have to be improved a lot with regard to table tennis. We need massive table tennis stadiums which is actually exclusively for table tennis at the national camps, where you could train a lot of people with good guidance from the coaches as well. Of course, the Olympics, I think that's been my biggest dream right from my childhood, that to have play for India at the Olympics. I've been training really hard for the last few years. You could see there are a lot of improvements in my game, a lot of changes in my game which I brought in. Of course, playing the Olympics is not my sole motto now, and I think that is just something which is going to happen. So winning a medal in Olympics is what we are working really hard for.